Hey guys, October 12th, 2024, coming out in June. I got the thing on, got 4th of July coming up. Pleasant Hills Cemetery here in lovely and town Eden Prairie, 1885. Beautiful day, fall day here. We need rain. Hopefully we had a good solid winter this year. I'm hoping. I like snow. There we are. Kick it off with nice January 8, 1949, 2013. She went 2016. Robert's still kicking. Janny, Greg, and Caddy. Looks like he died pretty young. 1977 and 2003 it looks like, so pretty young man. Pretty young. Witcherman, Bernard. Eden Prairie was a prairie when I was growing up. So, looks like they probably got married December 30th, 1944, it looks like. That's probably when they got married, I think. This is a nice one right here. Above the clouds, the sun is always shining. So true, especially in an airplane. Spencer Rice Stevens. 1982 to 2006. Young wife there. They over here we got some in the shells over here in the shade, but you can tell it's an okay cemetery. Maybe 2 or 3 we'll get out of this. We'll see what happens. Carol Jock Foster, 1925. Number 6, 24, 25, 26. It's a Jewish young man. Rennick, 2001. August 14th, they both went 2013. They were April 5th, Bell. So that's a nice one. That's a nice picture of that one right there. 1889, 1959. 1888, oh my goodness, 1986. Mildred. So that's the Gamble. That's a big ass one. Oh my goodness. He was the original Eden Prairie people. August 23rd, November 4th, 1927. See the family plot. 714, 1861, 1932. So, oh yeah. It's a nice little tree. You can tell the leaves are starting to turn. Wilton, I can't pronounce father. 1870. 1874, 1925. But some of these, this town was a prairie when I grew. It was Eden Prairie, and it's grown immensely in the last during the Bill Clinton era, man. Yahoo! Back in the '90s, grew big time, man. So you got some old ones right here. Looks like the Clark plot, 1852, 1928. So, Clark family. You have another plot over here. Got Page. She went in 1991. He went in 1992. Viola Page. Another page over here. 1886. Clarence, I like that name. Winford Page. There's another one right over here. Clarence Page, 1951. So that's a big family over here, big plot. See people over here, you could probably see ghosts at night over here. You never know, man, right? Big ass one. 1862, 1920. Going over here, kind of tucked in the corner over here. A couple old ones. 1886, 1952. I bet you there's ones you can't even read. Thompson, Mary F., Peter. Both went in September. I mean, she went first September, he went October. (1953, 1996). Anderson. 2009. He went first, and she went. Saw a lot during that time. Trust me. 1888 to 1965. Huh. Kind of get over here a little bit. Francis Anderson. So this is the Anderson plot. (1850). This is Mary A. Anderson. 1857, 1924. Harvey. I like that name too. The guy over at Oak Ridge. Harvey McKay. He was did a lot of empty envelopes. He was a member at Oak Ridge Country Club, big wheeler and dealer here in Minnesota. Because as I tweet you today, the Polites want to sell the Twinkies. You have Charles, Margaret, the C. Anderson. So this is like an old one right here too as well. Look at that bad boy. Cracking a little bit. 1872. Hilda M. 1980, 59. (1896, 1980). Huh. Joyce. Teacher, traveler, guardian angel. Very nice. Louise. 1953, 1966. They have the Brown family here. It looks like the Brown family plot. Amy E. 1873, 1921, long before the internet. John W. 1862 to 1938, start of World War II. Anderson, another Anderson in here. It's pretty well kept up cemetery. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I've seen worse. (1886, 1979). 1880. United States Marine, Benton Hill. 1943, 1970. I wonder if he died in action. Old one. Mitchell. Get over here. 1914. So, get over here, you got one way in the back over here. Be kind of weird to sit next to a cemetery. 1827, Sarah. Looks like it's pretty new, 1912. Let's look over here. But yeah, it's interesting, this town, how old it was, everything else. See a lot of Anderson over here, so Anderson must be a big name in this lovely town. What? A. Johnston. This is an old one right here. Wife of Anderson, 1897. Oh my goodness. Old one. Father, Samuel Anderson. Yeah. 1884, 1928. Father, James A. 1849 to 1924. Oh my goodness. Another one over there. Another Anderson right here. 2005. Oh, baby girl, that's too bad. July 6, 1959. Maybe the Lord gave her another chance. Who knows? Anyways, let's end it here. We'll see you in the next one, okay?